Probably the two biggest issues still on the kgaolong has been the road and then the quality of water. So ever since I was a young boy, we've always had water that is salty, water that doesn't quite support what you should think is the sort of life that a human being actually deserves. So the magnitude of the plant, and not just the waterworks here, but in terms of the distribution across the area, means that you're touching 40,000 plus people by the water will now have access to a palatable water. It's a metsi for the sake of like adequate supply, but the metsi. So for us, it's a big deal. If you look into industries also, like your hotels, your lodges, even mines and other companies, it's been a major problem. If you take the mine of one of the things that they had to resort to was to find a private borehole or to bounce water from somewhere else. So we've been spending quite a lot of money trying to get water that's more palatable. So it's a game changer for a lot of reasons. And because it was never good for us. It was so bad at some point, and I'm not exaggerating. Old women will make tea, put milk inside, and it coagulates, literally. So that is how bad the situation was. So we are excited about this project, and over and above that, my excitement, it looks like it's on schedule.
You talk about the borehole and how the challenges, some of the challenges that you face. I want you to show your people that you know the challenges they have. And just mention them, just highlight maybe 3 challenges that you mentioned because of this water shortage.
Yeah, so one of the biggest things that you have in here is just scarcity itself. We know water is what gives life. So Santa, Lona is why so you had a lot of people. If you go to the park, you go to Bangotai. Like half the year, people literally buy and if you look into the numbers, the area is a bit of an outbreak at the area. That's what make it the western part and the district. And this includes this area. So diarrhea it's an outbreak in the sanitary conditions and it's not far-fetched to say part of the reason why on Nazalo has a hygiene issue so much that if Asabi deceive a lot of times, then Bana end up and then there's a lot of people yourselves. You don't want to come and live here because so it has been a huge impact on a lot of you. But why did something why did some water systems, the toilets and all these things, they just block because toilets accumulate a lot of hard minerals. The whole block and pipe, so it's been a major problem for a lot of people. So